Okay, it's Wednesday evening, about 5:45. I'm gonna go paint. Well, after that beautiful drive, I decided that it was just too busy up the canyon to pull off and find a place to paint. I'll try that another day. But instead, I found this beautiful park just above the university and actually super close to where I live. This really beautiful area, and I decided to take a stroll, and I'll definitely be painting here much more often. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick sketch using water mixable oils of this scene here that I saw, and I'll be looking at using titanium white, something called Pyro Red. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. If I'm butchering that, someone please let me know. Permanent yellow light. The blue is ultramarine, just a little bit of black, and lastly, to draw some things out, I'll be looking at some burnt sienna. So I got started doing this quick sketch. It was just, I just gave myself maybe an hour to do this, and I'll go ahead and let you listen to the music and take a look at some of the things I was working on. We'll take a look at the end product in just a few minutes. Well, this is where I ended up. A quick sketch, about an hour. Lots of work I could do on this, but I had a great time. I had a great time throwing paint around and being loose and just seeing what these Cobra paints are like, and just getting a sense also for this new camera setup I have on my easel, and see how that works. But it sure was fun going out there on this little hike today and doing this quick painting. I'll go out there again tomorrow and do some more. Take good care, everybody. Talk to you soon.